So one thing I want to talk about with the HUD consultant, he'll contact me if something's going on with the house. Like we had a project that was supposed to be $60,000. It should have been done in 3 months. It was easy permits. It was like a roof replacement, some flooring and painting. It was a super easy job. Should have been closed out. And then I gave him a call checking in on the project. He called the homeowners to do a final inspection. Lo and behold, they told him that they decided to do the kitchen and a bathroom remodel just because the contractor was there and he gave him a good price. That's a problem for us because now we need to close out our project per the scope, per the appraisal before you do any other new projects. Obviously, if you're in the middle of a project, like let's say they were doing a roof and they realized they need gutters, of course, that's not going to delay your closeout and we can do that for you. But when you're doing a project and all of a sudden you just totally shift gears and are like, oh, I'm going to redo my bathrooms and kitchen that is not on your scope of work, that won't be allowed. You should not do any new projects until you close out your renovation project, because if you delay it, your note can actually be called due because you didn't follow the requirements of the program, which was to close out your project and your scope of work first. So I just want to mention, if you're going to do extra work, just wait, get our closeout done, and Gerald will come out super quick to make sure it gets done. Then you can start your new projects. So that's just a little bit about keeping within the scope of the work, and if you want to do additional projects, when you can do them.
Remember, I'm here for all your mortgage needs. While I do renovation lending, I also do move-in ready. So if you're unsure whether you want to get a fixer-upper or a move-in ready, I can handle both. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more news, market updates, and opportunities to save money.